Traveling is a means to success. Do subscribe Travel and Taste channel and like videos. For further videos, stay connected. Top Bhutanese food and dishes to try when you are in Bhutan. Bhutan is a small Buddhist country in the Himalayan region, sandwiched between China to the north and India to the south. Land of the Thunder Dragon, Bhutan is known for its mountains, monasteries, and mouth-watering unique cuisines. The intense Himalayan topography, climate, and local cooking techniques give Bhutanese food a unique spin. Neighboring countries like Tibet, Nepal, and India also influence the dishes of Bhutan. Ezays, stew of cheese and chilies. The country's national dish, Ezays, is unarguably the most popular dish of Bhutan. Datshi in Bhutanese means cheese, and Ema means chilies, therefore, Ezays is a stew made of cheese and chilies, sometimes including yak cheese, onions, garlic, and oil. It has a spicy taste with the essence of a particular type of farmer's cheese that gives it a semi-solid consistency. This dish is worth trying for all the food connoisseurs out there. Shamu Datshi, beef jerky with cheese. Another version of the Ezays is the Shamu Datshi, a popular cuisine of the Bhutanese culture. Made from pure Bhutanese dried beef, also called Shakam, it is partially dried and cooked in cheese and butter to perfection. The beef tastes similar to jerky but thicker and is simmered in cheese and butter, giving it a savory taste. This is a must-taste dish for all the non-vegetarian food enthusiasts out there. Kewa Datsi, potato and cheese gravy. One of the staple foods in Bhutan is potatoes. The Kewa Datsi, meaning potatoes and cheese, fully embraces the essence of potatoes. Firstly, they are sautéed in oil or butter, adding the cheese to give it a unique cheesy taste. This gravy, like Bhutanese cuisine, is best with some rice. Being non-spicy and easy to chew, it is one of the best options for Bhutanese foods for all age groups. Momo, dumplings. Dumplings or momo are unarguably the most famous dish of the Indian subcontinent. These small balls of heavenly pleasure are everywhere, including street stalls, small eateries, and high-end restaurants. This dish is found in various forms. Some may be fried, some steamed, packed with meat or vegetables. In Bhutan especially, they are eaten with the Bhutanese chili sauce Ezays. It is highly recommended to try this dish when visiting Bhutan. Shamu Datshi, spicy mushroom and cheese stew. In Bhutanese, shamu means mushroom, therefore, this dish is a spicy stew made with mushrooms and cheese. It has a flavorful blend of mushrooms and cheese accompanying the spicy chilies. With mushrooms, creamy cheese, and spicy chilies, this dish provides a unique culinary experience showcasing Bhutan's cultural heritage and diverse flavors. Red rice. Red rice is one of the staple foods of Bhutan. This type of rice is grown in the fertile soils of the Para Valley, richly supplied with glacier water. It takes little time to cook due to being partially milled. It has a reddish-brown tinge and is gluten and wheat-free and highly nutritious. This steaming hot rice can be accommodated with dishes like Ezays, Shamu Datshi, Kewa Datsi, and other cheese-based stews. Jaju, milky vegetable soup. This broth of milk and vegetables is a mellow soup that goes well with any dish. It is generally served as a side dish in many restaurants and eateries. Made from turnip or spinach leaves added to milk, butter, and a hint of cheese. This dish is a delight you must try in Bhutan if you are searching for something unique. It is perfect for a cold winter day to warm up and energize the body. Shakam, spicy beef jerky. Dried yak meat is one of the most common ingredients for many dishes in Bhutan. Shakam, therefore, is also one of those dishes. Having dry beef cooked with red chilies or radishes, it is a delight for spicy food lovers. You truly don't want to miss out on this amazing dish. Laphing, starchy rolled noodles. Laphing is one of the most famous Tibetan street foods out there. It has a unique savory taste and is made from flour or potato starch rolls marinated in soy sauce, chilies, and other spices overnight. It is served either wet with a special type of sauce or dry, which both have their own perks. It has a slippery and distinct texture to it that makes it more appetizing to bite into. It is a must-have street food in Bhutan. Ezays, spicy and savory sauce. While not entirely a dish on its own, it is one peculiar sauce that is served with almost every other dish in Bhutan. Ezay, the ultimate chili sauce, is an integral part of most Bhutanese dishes. As a tradition in Bhutan goes, it is made with spicy hot chilies and Szechuan peppercorn. It heightens the flavor of every bite and makes the dish more delectable. Be sure to order ezay with any dishes you try in Bhutan. Paksha, spicy pork stew with vegetables. Yet another spicy dish, the Paksha, is one of the highlights of Bhutanese cuisine. Made up of pork and chilies, the Paksha can be consumed as a main dish and a complementary side dish. It can also include bok choy, a leafy stalk usually used in salads. Additionally, mountain-grown vegetables can also be added to make the dish even more delectable. Khur-Le, a heavy Bhutanese pancake. Resembling a pancake, the Khur-Le is a Bhutanese snack popular among the native people. It is made up of buckwheat or barley flour and has a spongy texture. Any locally available flour is used to make the pancake. It can be used as a complementary food with many dishes like Shamu Datshi and Shakam Datshi. It is best eaten in the winter as it is quite fulfilling. Gondo Datshi, scrambled eggs and cheese. The Gondo Datshi is a product of scrambled eggs, cheese, and a lot of butter. Loved by the natives for its pleasing fragrance, it can be made with farmer's cheese as well as goat cheese, which adds a unique taste to this dish. It is meant to be eaten with bread during breakfast and snack time. Consuming in the morning energizes your day and leaves you fulfilled and wanting more. Khatem, fried and crispy bitter gourd. You rarely see a delicious dish made of bitter gourd/melon anywhere except Bhutan. Khatem is a common food in Bhutan made up of bitter gourd deep fried in lots of butter. It has a unique taste of bitterness not meant for the weak-hearted. It can give you a new sensation of taste that you may not have been previously aware of. It is highly encouraged to try this dish when in Bhutan. Lom, stir-fried turnip leaves. Lom is also a very unique dish exclusive to Bhutan. Basically, being seasoned and dried turnip leaves, it has a surprising and unique flavor to it. It can be used as a side dish as well as a cooking ingredient in native cuisines. Lom is eaten widely throughout Bhutan throughout the year, so it is suggested to try it. Zow Shungo, leftover vegetables with rice. One of the identifying cultures of Bhutan is that people don't waste food. Keeping this culture in mind, leftover vegetables are mixed with uchum, rice in the Bhutanese language, to give a starchy and healthy dish called Zow Shungo. This is not inferior to the other dishes and is consumed throughout Bhutan. You should give this dish a try. Juma, meat and rice sausage wrapped in intestine. Juma is a tasty sausage stuffed with minced meat seasoned with spices. It is one of the spicy dishes Bhutan is known for. Juma is different from other sausages as it is meat wrapped in intestine and rice, then deep fried and served. It is a different form of beef jerky with a dry texture and chewy taste. It offers a unique gritty taste of intestine and Szechuan pepper. Goep, stir-fried tripe. Goep is a stir-fried tripe, the inner lining of the stomach of animals. Mostly made up of the tripe of a cow's stomach, slices of this tripe are mixed with some vegetables and spices and deep or stir-fried to give a scrumptious meal. This meal is well known in other parts of Asia but is considered one of the most popular dishes in Bhutan. It is an excellent dish worth trying for all non-vegetarian enthusiasts while visiting Bhutan. Puta, buckwheat noodles with a Bhutanese twist. It is a crime not to mention noodles in a country that Tibet influences. Puta is simply buckwheat noodles that are famous in the Bumthong region. In Bhutan, it is usually accompanied by spring onions, chilies, and eggs cooked in oil. It may also be cooked with meat, vegetables, and sauces to further heighten the flavor. Sometimes, it can also serve priests and gods as offerings, which makes it so special. Jasha Maru, spicy chicken stew. This is not your ordinary chicken curry, but a special one that contains spices of Bhutan with a noticeable ginger taste. This rustic stew contains a mixture of ingredients like onions, leeks, tomatoes, chicken, and a dash of ginger. This is particularly famous in the Himalayas and for cold weather. Check before eat foodies. Do subscribe Travel and Taste channel and like videos. For further videos stay connected.